Jinhongfa, one of the first domestic silicon products, R&D, design, production, integration solution service providers. In 2004, Jinhongfa was established in Longhua, Shenzhen. In 2013, due to the need of business expansion, our factory moved to Huangjiang Town, Dongguan City. In 2018, the company adjusted its industrial layout again and relocated its production base to Shipai Town, Dongguan City, covering an area of 5,000 meters. After years of technical accumulation and innovation, the company aims to reach new heights. As an important force in the field of silicon products, Jinhongfa has continuously improved the system construction during its growth. It has established 4 departments: molding, injection, plastic and mold making. From receiving samples, confirming samples, and then making mold for single production, Jinhongfa has explored an efficient production mode between efficiency and quality. Since its establishment, Jinhongfa has continuously introduced advanced production equipment at home and abroad. At present, our factory has a total number of molding machines, extrusion molding machines, plastic injection machines, and liquid injection molding machines. More than 30 sets, as well as automatic cutting machine, automatic twisting machine, automatic pad printing machine, numerical control secondary curing furnace, tunnel furnace, etc. A total of more than 20 sets of industry advanced supporting equipment. At present, all production workshops are dust-free workshops and equipped with ultrasonic dust removal humidifier, which provides a favourable production environment for the guarantee of product quality. Over the past 17 years, the company has been committed to introducing high-end talent, continuously improving production efficiency, and promoting the company's annual output value from its inception to now has been growing steadily year by year. We have set up a design team with 15 years of R&D experience, which can quickly realize the seamless docking of silicon with plastic, stainless steel and various metals and other materials to meet the needs of different customers. We are constantly learning the market demand. The company's production of household products, baby products, auto parts and military products and other silicon products have passed the food grade, LFGB and FDA certification, sold at home and abroad, won the majority of customers' favour and unanimous praise. As we all know, if employees are the cornerstone of a business, so over the years we have always adhered to the people-oriented, common development business philosophy. Improve employee satisfaction by improving the working and living environment, providing job training platform. Also, in response to the national policy of promoting environmental protection, Jinhongfa spent a lot of money to upgrade the environmental protection system of the enterprise. At the same time, we actively participate in social public welfare charities for the harmonious development of the society to contribute their own strength. With the development of enterprises and the diversification of consumer demand, we all make Jinhongfa stand in the world's strong enterprises through a full range of products and services. Today we stand at the forefront of the times, gather the power of innovation, create a powerful, thoughtful, more enterprise mind.